Here is a quick guide to demonstrate how you can send your MP an email and help counter anti-Israel bias at the United Nations. To start, please go to our website www.cufi.org.uk and use the menus at the top of the page to go to Campaigns and click Countering UN Bias from the drop-down menu. Our UN page is filled with useful information on how the UN is biased against Israel and how this is being countered through pro-Israel groups such as CUFI. For today's video, we'll show you how to contact your MP. To do that, simply find the latest action points section and click the button that reads Act Now. Email your MP today using our online form. Once you've clicked that button, you'll be directed to a page that is hosted by the Israel-Britain Alliance. That's because Christians United for Israel is partnering with the IBA to send these emails to MPs. We're working together to ensure that every British politician hears from their pro-Israel constituents. To fill out this form, simply scroll down and start entering your name and email address as demonstrated on the screen, but of course using your own details. Once you've entered your name and email address, please enter your postcode. Now this is important to note. When you fill out your postcode, you must wait for the drop-down menu to appear before you click anywhere else on the form. Do not press the Enter or Tab keys, as this will stop the form from completing correctly. If you do accidentally press Enter though, it's not a problem. There's an easy fix. Simply delete or clear your postcode and retype it again. Once you've finished typing in your postcode, just simply wait until a drop-down automatically appears. Once you see this drop-down, hover your mouse over it and select your address. You may need to scroll down if there are multiple addresses being displayed, but once you've found your address, click on it and the form will auto-populate. You can see now that the address has auto-populated in the fields. Once the details have been filled in, please double check that your MP is correctly selected and that your name, address and email address are all showing correctly. We also advise that you read the letter you're about to send to your MP. To complete the form and send an email to your Member of Parliament, simply tick the box that you agree to the terms and conditions and then click the Send button. Once you've completed this form, you will be directed to the Thank You page. Here you can share this petition with your friends on Facebook and Twitter. You can also support Christians United for Israel with a donation. You can make this donation by credit card or you can use PayPal. Alternatively, if you would like to become a member and give a monthly gift, you can support the work we're doing, which really does help us to further this cause and to defend Israel in the United Kingdom. Finally, you can learn more about the UN by clicking on the UN page. Thank you for supporting this campaign and for supporting Christians United for Israel. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us using our website or through social media. God bless you.